Today, we're going to talk about our neck alignment tools. We've got a few options to fit your needs, whether you're screen printing or using DTF film with a heat press. This classic neck alignment tool is really helpful when it comes to setting up the perfect design. I'll demonstrate with DTF film and a heat press, but it can also be used for screen printing. Just line it up with the neckline and you're ready to place your design. Let's get started. First, I'll pull out the tray to my heat press and put down an adult-sized shirt. Since I'm using an adult-sized shirt, I'll also use the adult-sized template to align the design. Using the neck alignment tool, I know exactly where to put my design before pressing down. And there it is, a perfectly aligned design. Super easy. If you need something more specific, we also have neck alignment tools for V-necks, children, and youth-sized garments for both the front and back necklines. So there's a neck alignment tool for every project. Say goodbye to uneven prints and hello to perfect placement every time. As always, if you have any questions or if there's anything else you want to see from us in the future, drop a comment below and let us know. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more videos.